Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Bosal Tech, and here I am going to show you that a new free airdrop where you can earn free and get free IO token. IO token already on the mining solution, and I will show you that how can you claim free 50 IO token from this free airdrop. Scroll down, you can check here important Binance and loanedrop.com will be the first platform to list the token mentioned here. Now it will mentioned on 11 June 2024. You can claim this free airdrop just before of its mentioning date. Now how can you claim? I will provide the link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you can reach here without wasting any time, and scroll down. You can check out already launch pool. You can check out a IO token already exist in launch pool of Binance and more. Scroll down, you can check out, and you need only a IO token address. And how can you get your IO address? I will tell you in this video. Now come to Binance account, and here I am going to show you that how can you get IO Solana address. Come to the wallets option, and here we have deposit option. Click on it on the search bar and enter io.net. Click on it, then you can see that you have to click on Solana option now, and here you have to copy your address, deposit address. Now come to the website that's I already tell you in the inside the description, and here you need to enter your Solana wallet address, then click on claim airdrop. You can get free 50 IO token from this boot. Now how can you increase your earning more? Scroll down, you can get your free referral address. You have to copy this address, paste this address in another crypto wallet and share this with your friends so that other person join this boot and other person also get 50 IO token, and you will also get 50 IO token if a person join this boot through your referral link. Hopefully you like it, you love it.